Okay, here's a small deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there on that stone, for example, is a reflection from the lights. We'll just go in a bit closer. Basically potch and colour. Some of the stones haven't got any opal on them at all, or very little. Basically, it's just been randomly scooped out of a larger parcel. Nice piece. Got a nice stone out of that. I think so anyway. It's basically just a piece of stone. We take into account things like that when we price the deal. This is a pretty little stone. Piece of just rock. A piece of matrix in the middle there. Something like that. I'd just cut it into a shape. You aren't going to be able to follow the lines of opal. It's just a piece of stone. Make that into a little doublet perhaps. Well, it's still got sand in it there. It's not a piece there. Anyway, I think you've got the idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.